Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, press the like button. Question number 1. A person buy 10 dozen pen at the rate of rupees 24 per dozen and sell them at the rate of rupees 36 per dozen. What is his profit or loss? At first we calculate the cost price of the pen. After that we calculate the selling price of the pen. So question number 1, CP, that is cost price. So 20 per dozen and 10 dozen, it's become 204. SP, that is selling price. 36 per dozen rate and 10 dozen, it's become 360. So profit 360 minus 240, that is 120. So profit is 120 rupees. D is the right answer. Coming to the next question. What is simple interest on rupees 1800 for 10 years at the rate of 10% per annum? We calculate it from formula principal, that is 800 time 10 year, and rate, that is 10%. So interest formula is PTR by 100, that is P T R by 100. So it's become so D is the correct answer. Question number 3. A man buy a radio for rupees 900 and sell it for rupees 1200. Find his gain percentage. So 3, CP, that is 900, SP, that is 1200. So profit 200 minus 900, that is 300. So profit percentage, that is 300 by CP into 100. So 100 by 3, that is 33, 1 by 3%. So here D is the right answer. Which of the following is not a factor of 316? So first we divide 316 by all the number. So 316, 8. So 316 divided by 8, we get 4 is remainder. It is not completely divisible by 8. So 8 is not a factor of 360. So B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The average score of a cricketer in 2 matches is 27 runs and in 3 other matches is 32 runs. Then his average score in all the 5 matches is. So 27 in 2 matches, that is 54 in total in 2 matches. After that 32 in 3 matches, so 6, 96 total in 3 matches. We add both, we get 0, 150. So 5 matches his score 150. We divided it by 5, we get 30. So average is 30. C is the correct answer. Question number 6. Simplify. So we write it 2 by 5 into 8 whole 4 by 5 divided by 4, 2 by 5. 52 by 5 into 44 by 5 divided by 22 by 5 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 22, 2, 5, 5. So 104 by 5. If we converted it, so it's become 20 whole 4 by 5. So A is the right answer. The value of 23.37 divided by 0.19 is, so we simply write it 23.37 by 0.19, eliminating point 100, point here 100. So 100, 100, 19, 1 is a 19, 1, 3. So answer is 123. C is the correct answer. Question number 8. What value must be given to star so that the number 5712 star divided by 25? The number here, this last number here is star, so when it divided by 25, 5 is must over there, 5 or 0. So here, so answer is C. 9 number, find the sum of first 7 multiple of 7. So first we write the number 7, 9 number, 7 plus 14 plus 21 plus 28 plus 35 plus 42 plus 49. We add these all, we get it is 19. So 196. A is the correct answer. Question number 10. If 4915 divided by 13 is 378, 49.14 divided by 1.3 is equal to. So simply we write it in this way, 4914 13, that is 378, 49 14.3. So eliminating point, we get 100 over there, 10. This portions is 378. So 378 by 10, that is 37.8. So A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.